So guys, if you want to achieve that younger looking, glowing, beautiful skin, always try to use this mask on a regular basis. It's a quick fix to naturally help you get clear skin, bright skin, acne free skin, and also it helps tightens the skin, it helps reduce wrinkles, it helps reduce fine lines, it removes dead skin cells, and trust me guys, this mask gives you a brighter and glowing skin instantly. So if this is your first time seeing me, welcome. Please do consider subscribing, click on the notification bell so you don't miss any video of mine whenever I post. And if you're an existing subscriber already, welcome back. You guys are the real MVP. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. So without further ado, let's get right into the video.
The first ingredient we'll be using is coffee grounds, which is an excellent exfoliator. It helps in stimulating blood flow and also helps in reducing acne. It removes impurities, making skin smoother and brighter looking. The next ingredient is turmeric powder, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help to bring out your natural glow, brighten dark circles, reduce acne and prevent breakouts. The next ingredient is brown sugar. Brown sugar has antibacterial properties that keeps your skin radiant and healthy. It also removes dead skin cells, makes the skin smooth, and also gives youthful glow. The next ingredient is honey, which is quite calming to the skin. It keeps the skin from drying out. It's also packed with natural antioxidants. It helps protect, repair, and prevent skin damage. The next and last ingredient is milk. Milk helps cleanse the skin. It treats acne. It's a mild exfoliator. It moisturizes the skin. It lightens and brightens the skin. It reduces signs of aging. So first we'll be adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground coffee. Next is to add in turmeric powder. And next is to add in brown sugar. Mix all the dry ingredients properly before adding in your wet ingredients. Next, you add honey. And lastly, milk. Mix all ingredients well in the form of paste. So guys, this should be the consistency you should be aiming to get. Apply the paste on your face and neck area or all over your body.
So next I'll be exfoliating my skin and I'll be rubbing this all over my face for some seconds. So guys, once you're done with exfoliating the marks on your skin, you leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, but I'll be leaving mine for 20 minutes. You can just leave it on to dry, and yes, you can apply these marks all over your body, down to your neck area, all over your body. I'll be leaving mine for just 20 minutes and I'll go wash off with normal water. And guys, before using these marks, or if you know you have a sensitive skin, always try doing a patch test. You can just apply it on a small part of your body, you leave on and let it dry on that body, you wash off. Then if you know you don't have any irritation after that, or you don't have any itchiness, then it should be good to use. Do not just go mix any mask and apply on your face. Always do a patch test first before using any mask, so to know if your skin would react to it or not. So this mask here can be used 2 to 3 times a week to enjoy a brighter and more radiant skin. Guys, this is amazing. Like, this mask here, it's really a skin polisher. So this is my face after 20 minutes and washing off, and I must say I love it, and you should really do give this mask a try, and I promise you you're going to love it. You are going to love the effects it gives on the skin. Guys, my skin feels smooth. I haven't moisturized my skin yet. Guys, please do give this a try and you're definitely going to love it. You really love the effects it gives on your skin. Like, this is really a skin polisher. This mask here, it's a skin polisher. Like, it's so smooth. My skin feels so smooth right now. It also tightens the skin. It just firms the skin. Like, It's good. Please do try this mask. My skin feels so different, smooth and more toned, and overall brightness. I love it. I love the effect of this mask here. So guys, it's always better to moisturize your skin after to keep it super soft, supple, and also protected. So guys, I love the way this mask feels on my skin. So I hope you all find this video helpful. If you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section, and please do make sure you try it. And if you do try it, come back here letting me know how it feels on your skin. You're so going to love it. I am telling you right now that you would love it. And please, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, do that. Click on that notification bell so you don't miss any video of mine whenever I post. Also, do not forget to come share your experience after using this mask. Please let me know. I want to know how it feels on your skin. I want to know the effect. I want to know how, if you really did love it or not. But I know you're so going to love this. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.